Hello kids, welcome on my channel Aqsa Art for Kids. Welcome now kids.
Hello kids, today draw with me step by step a smiley face. Let's see how I am drawing a smiley face. Draw with me step by step a smiley face.